So, guys, today I'm going to talk to you about, well, some people want to say, well, the Bible, it doesn't give all the answers. Well, they're wrong. And some people want to say, well, the Bible, it doesn't tell you how to get to heaven. It does. It says it right here. This is just one of the places it says it, one of the ways it says it. Matthew chapter 5, verse 19. 19 says, anyone who breaks one of these commandments and teaches others to do the same will be called least in the kingdom of heaven. But whoever practices and teaches these commandments will be called great in the kingdom of heaven. It says it right there. If you abide by the commandments, and it goes on to state the commandments: murder, adultery, and you have to read it. But go to Matthew 5:19, then read the commandments. If you just follow those commandments and you practice those commandments and you persuade others to do these commandments, then you'll be called great in heaven, which means you'll make it to heaven. All you got to do is follow the commandments. All you got to do is listen to the Bible. And I'm pretty sure, guys, you can go through the Bible and you can follow in many other ways that it tells you how to make it to heaven. But this is just one of the ways. You just gotta make it through. You gotta listen to the commandments that the Lord has set out there for you, and you can read it right here, right in this book, right in Matthew. It says most of the commandments. I actually think it says all of them, but you just gotta read it, guys. And that's all it takes is reading. That's all it takes, and following. You have to practice it. It's like everything else. You have to practice it. You have to be good at it. You have to not fall into the temptation. You have to do it. It takes the doing. It's part of it. It's part of being human. You're gonna make mistakes, guys. Everyone makes mistakes. But the good news is you can ask God for forgiveness because He died for your sins. So all you got to do is ask for forgiveness and listen to what He says. Read what He says and accept what He says. You can't change the Bible, guys. I'm sorry to tell you. These words, they're the truth. It's like I could tell you 2 + 2 = 4. But you might believe it equals 5. But guys, the truth is it equals 4. And I hate to break it to you, but it's always gonna equal 4. I can't persuade you it's gonna equal 4 if you have your mind set on that it's gonna equal 5. So you have to read for yourself and you have to listen for yourself and understand. And believe it, guys, because this is the truth. This is the truth. God wouldn't write it down. He wouldn't have people write it down for you not to listen to it. It's the truth. So listen to it and believe it. Because 2 + 2, it equals 4. The Bible, it is true. It's always going to be true, and you can't change it. So listen to these commandments, and you'll be called great in heaven. Read the Bible and understand the Bible, and you'll make it to heaven, guys. That's all it takes. Okay. I hope you guys are doing safe, and I'll be praying for all of you. I hope you guys are staying safe.